Hi, I'm Jason. Welcome to another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. Today we are working on this Whirlpool freestanding range. We will show you how to remove and replace the infinite switch. To begin this repair, we must first access the rear and remove the back panels. Stop. Before beginning any repair, be sure to always disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. We must first remove the lower panel here with the 2 Phillips screws. Lower it down. You can just set it aside. And then there are 12 number 2 Phillips screws that hold the upper panel on. And then you just lower it down, disengage it from the top panel, and slide it right off. With the back panel removed, we now have access to our infinite switches. We are going to be taking a look at the right front 8-inch burner. Some reasons why you might be replacing this switch. Your burner might be on high all the time, or your burner might not be working at all. To check the switch, we're going to simply unplug our wires. And with our multimeter set on ohms, I have this one set up for an audible tone whenever we have continuity. We're going to be checking H1 and L1, and we have no audible tone, so we have an open circuit. And then we're going to be checking H2 and L2, and again, we have no audible tone, so our circuit is open. So now we will turn our switch on, checking from H1 to L1. We have a tone, so we have a closed circuit. And checking from H2 to L2, we have an audible tone, so we have a closed circuit again. So that switch is testing good, but if for some reason it tested bad, all you simply need to do is remove your knob. It slides right off. There are 2 Phillips screws behind the knob. I'm going to remove the bottom one and the top one. As you are loosening it, you're going to want to hold your switch so that it doesn't fall out. And slide it out and remove your screw and set it aside. Now that we have our new switch, we are going to slide it through the hole from the back and start our screws. And you kind of have to be careful and line these up real good, otherwise they'll strip. Once you have your screws started, take your screwdriver, tighten them down. Slide your knob back on. Install your Molex connectors. And now we are ready to install our back panels. To install the rear panel, you must first slide the top of the panel up under the console. Line up your screw holes. And hold the panel and install one of the screws to hold the panel for you. And now that you got that one in, move on to the other side while still holding the panel. And now that you've got that one held, you can finish the rest of the screws. Next, we'll install the lower panel, and there are 4 tabs you must engage into the back of the oven. And slide them in and then slide it up until your screw holes align. And this will complete the repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.